Hi and welcome, Lisa here for Trinity Stamps. Thanks for joining me. So today I have something other than a card for you. I'm sharing how to create fun fall treats using the mini coffee cups along with the mini coffee cup sleeve dies and the new mini cup rainbow hugs die set. Now I've run a piece of pattern paper through my die cut machine with the largest die from the mini coffee cup sleeve die set. I've added glue to one edge of that die cut paper and I've wrapped it around the mini cup. So quick tip here, use binder clips to hold this while it dries and you can move on to work on the next cup. So very easy. Now I have a piece of black ribbon and two pieces of twine that I've cut, and we're going to be using hot glue. So I already heated my hot glue gun up. I'm going to secure the ribbon or the twine to the ribbon, sorry about that, using my hot glue gun, just adding little dots of hot glue straight to the ribbon and then securing the twine on top of it. Now I've also die cut two pieces of pattern paper, one with the scalloped edge circle and the other with the stitched edge circle from the mini coffee cup sleeve die set. And I'm going to secure the scalloped edge to the ribbon and the twine, and then we're going to go ahead and secure that around the coffee cup with hot glue, and then just finish it off to make sure that it's nice and secure with more hot glue, and be careful not to burn your fingers. Now I used a foam adhesive dot to add this last piece of pattern paper to the front. Then I just simply tied a little bow onto the plastic piece that goes in the top of the cup and added another piece of pattern paper to the top just to give it a fun decorative touch, and used a foam adhesive dot for that. I recommend that you do not use hot glue on the top of the cup. And that's going to wrap our first treat cup up. I'm using that cup for candy. Now this second cup here, we're doing the same thing. I went ahead and ran another piece of pattern paper through the die cut machine using the largest die from the mini coffee cup sleeve die set, wrapped it around, added the glue to one end of the band, and we're going to secure it in place while we let it dry. Now I used the rainbow band from the mini cup to cut this pattern paper. And what I'm going to do is secure it to the band from the mini coffee cup sleeve die set. It's a smaller band in that set. And I thought this would make it much easier to secure my rainbow die cut bands around my cup. Now, obviously mine's not rainbow colored, but that's the name of the die that I used. So to secure this band around my cup, I'm using hot glue. I always start at the back on that line that runs right up the center where we adhered our first band around the cup. I use that as kind of like a center guide for everything I do. So a scallop die cut circle added with a foam adhesive dot to the front of that band to cover up the ends. Now with the mini coffee cup sleeve die set, there's some really cute little pieces like this little pumpkin. I'm using hot glue to add it to this piece that sticks in the top of the coffee cup. I've also die cut the little leaf, and also there's like a little vine that goes with that in that set. I added that as well to that. We added a little bow with a tag on the front of it, and then we die cut the heart from the die set. We stamped hug and a mug on it, and the hands are from the new mini cup rainbow hug set, and I thought they would be perfect wrapped around our little coffee cup. And we're going to meet them right around the front like they're holding on to that heart. And I just thought that was a perfect little touch to our hug and a mug. Now I'm actually gifting some pumpkin spice coffee, a pod in this little cup. So cute. So that's going to bring us to the end of the video. I really appreciate you joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Now for more information on the products I used, you can head over to the Trinity Stamps website. And I hope you have an amazing day.